everybody. This is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope everybody have a great day. So today I have decided to make easy walnut cake. This cake is so easy that you don't even need a mixture. So let's get right into it, guys. You know Mama Bui doesn't like wasting time. And here are the ingredients, guys, for our cake. We have all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, baking powder, salt, buttermilk, bittersweet chocolate, 2 eggs, vanilla extract, and pineapple essence. And for our topping, we're gonna use cinnamon, walnuts, melted butter, and sugar. First step, we're gonna mix all our dry ingredients together. Into my flour, I'll add baking powder, then I'll add salt and sugar and mix well until combined. Then I'll set it aside so that I can work onto my wet ingredients. For the wet ingredients, I'll add buttermilk to my bowl. Then I'll take my 2 eggs and whisk them. Then I'll add them to the buttermilk. Next, then I'll add my vanilla, pineapple essence, and mix well until combined. Next, I'm gonna take wet ingredients and add them to dry ingredients. Then I'm gonna take my spatula and mix everything together. I'm gonna mix. I'm gonna mix this until there are no lumps showing. Just like so, guys. I have my well-greased and lined pan, and to the pan I'm gonna add about 3/4 of butter and reserve some. And into the batter I'm gonna add melted chocolate, I'm gonna mix until combined. Now our chocolate batter is mixed well. I'm gonna add it to the batter into the pan. Just like so, guys. Now I'm gonna take my fork and kind of swirl the batter to give that marble effect, just like so. Then I'm gonna put it aside and do the topping. Okay, now I'm gonna take my walnuts and chop them. Then I'll put my walnuts in the bowl. I'll add sugar and cinnamon and melted butter and mix everything together. I'll mix until combined. Next, I will sprinkle the walnut mixture on top of the cake batter. Then I'll bake this cake at 350 Fahrenheit for 30 to 35 minutes. Okay, guys? Now our cake is done, guys. I'm gonna leave it in the pan for 15 minutes before I transfer it to cook completely on the rack. Now it's time to plate our cake. I can't wait to taste this cake, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Doesn't it look yummy? Then I'm gonna finish it up with the strawberry. There you have it, guys. Easy walnut cake. It's so easy, guys. Like I said, you don't even need a mixer. Please try this recipe and let me know how it turned out on the comments down below. Guys, please hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of our videos. Like this video, subscribe, and share it to your friends. I hope you enjoy it. And lastly, I'll say thank you, guys. Thank you. I appreciate your subscriptions. Until next time, honey for my honeys. Bye, my honeys.